My name is Gold Kapuna. I'm in Standard 750. Today, during our lunch, we ate chips and eggs, which is our daily meal timetable. And this timetable is followed in order to ensure our good health every day when we are to school. Also, we have good chefs and cooks who cook our food in a very clean and safe environment to ensure our health. Thanks.